So guys, I have just come to the Triumph Ghaziabad showroom to attend the bike nights. These are some evenings that Triumph as a brand organizes every other week at their showrooms in Delhi NCR and across the country. By the way, this is the 9th showroom for Triumph here in Delhi NCR. And I hope to bond with some fellow riders here, some fellow Triumph riders here, hear some stories, enjoy some great music. So let's get going with this bike nights from Triumph. So here we are at the showroom here in Ghaziabad, the Triumph Ghaziabad showroom, and this is the vibe of the place. This is what happens at bike nights. Some great music, some fellow riders to connect with. So this is Prakhar, who rides a Tiger 800 XRX. When did you buy this?
I buy this 2019.
2019. अच्छा 2019 से खरीदी हुई है, and this was my first motorcycle Tiger जो मैंने ली थी 800 XC A
White color. Noida number.
Yes. जो इसकी आवाज़ थी, जो इस 800 की आवाज़ थी, वैसी आवाज़ literally 900 लेने के बाद उसके आसपास भी नहीं है. This was obviously my first love. एक बार इसकी आवाज़ आप प्लीज़ एक बार मुझे सुना दो. जो whistling sound होता है ना 800 ट्रिपल सिलेंडर इंजन का, that is just amazing. Just have a listen, guys. पहले ये एक बार. ये जो scream है ना, that is amazing. And now you listen to this, which is by the way a good motorcycle 900. I love it because it is a little less top heavy. But इसको एक बार स्वाद on करते हैं. Now hear this sound. This is bassy.
More like a KTM engine.
More like a enduro sort of a bike वाला थोड़ा सा sound आ गया because I have installed the Scorpion exhaust on this. But वो smoothness वाली feel
3-to-1 firing order ना?
हाँ 3-to-1 firing order. It has its benefits, but the disadvantage is that the sound is not as pleasing to the ear.
Yeah, sound is not as easy
Yeah.
to when you cruise on high speed ना?
Yeah, exactly.
That is very smooth.
Yes. Meeting a lot of old friends. Met this guy who rides a Triumph, and I got to know that he was my batchmate in my engineering college.
Yeah.
So
That's
what a meeting. So we are connected by Triumph, by the way.
ट्रायम्फ की बाइक नाइट जो पहले एक्सपीरियंस स्टोर में जो पहले नारायणा में हम देखते थे सिर्फ, अब हम हमारे बाकी आउटलेट्स जो है गाजियाबाद, मेरठ, देन नोएडा, प्रीत विहार, हम उन सब में भी देखेंगे. सो आई थिंक ट्रायम्फ के बारे में बताने की मुझे शायद ज़रूरत नहीं है. यहाँ पे मेरे से बड़े बड़े इन्फ्लुएंसर्स यहाँ पे हैं. आई कैन सी जसवीन एंड ऑल ऑफ यू गाइस ओवर हियर.
कैसी रही आपका बाइक नाइट एक्सपीरियंस? फर्स्ट टाइम आपने अटेंड करी है?
हाँ जी, बड़ा ही अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा। वैसे बाइकिंग ब्रेकफास्ट तो होता रहता है, करते
हाँ।
रहते हैं हम लोग। पहली बार अभी नाइट भी कर रहे हैं।
ओके।
और ये होता रहेगा, हर महीने का हम लोगों ने प्लान किया है कि इसको हम लोग ऑर्गेनाइज कराते रहेंगे,
हाँ।
जिससे कि राइडर कनेक्ट भी होता रहेगा और लोग अपने फ्री होकर सारे दिन भर के कामों से यहाँ पर आके एंजॉय कर पाएंगे।
टाइम भी सही है ना, 6:30 आओ। आप तो लेट आए हो सर?
हाँ, मैं लेट हो गया क्योंकि अरेंजमेंट्स में लगा हुआ था मेरे भाई लोगों के, तो
हाँ।
मैं थोड़ा आज लेट हो गया।
आजकल कौन सी बाइक चला रहे हो आप?
आजकल मेरे पास बॉनेविल T120 है।
वो यार वो मेरे को बहुत प्यारी लगती है यार, बॉनेविल।
जान तो है 1250 सीसी, उसमें से इन्होंने कुछ और उसमें पावर डाल दी है यूके से मंगा के।
हाँ नहीं तो मेरा को दिल है कि जैसे एक टाइगर है ना,
हाँ।
उसके बाद एक ये रेट्रो क्लासिक मोटरसाइकिल होनी चाहिए।
वही समझ लीजिए,
और
मैंने भी
बॉनेविल
ऐसे ही- मैंने भी वही
T120 तो बहुत पसंद है।
Right.
एक मेरे को वो भी बहुत अच्छी लगती है जो नई वाली है, वो जो स्पीड ट्विन आई है,
स्पीड ट्विन
जिसका वो आगे वाला टायर एंड पीछे वाला टायर इज लाइक सो स्पोर्टी।
That is good.
It's on track, I guess.
That is a track bike, not for cruising,
हाँ।
because उसका आगे वाला टायर थोड़ा छोटा है पीछे वाले से रियर
हाँ।
है।
It's a power blaster actually.
That is
हाँ,
yes.
हाँ। और जो डबल पॉड क्लस्टर की जो फीलिंग आती है ना, जिसमें वो ऐसे नीडल्स ऊपर नीचे होती है,
Analog needles. That's the lovely part. That's the
that
lovely
melts
part.
the heart. I own a Tiger 900 Rally Pro. This is a motorcycle that I bought a couple of years back, and I have been invested in the Triumph brand for almost 7 years now. Before this bike, I had a Tiger. Before this bike, I had a Tiger as well, which was the Tiger 800 XCX. So, been 7 years riding a Triumph Tiger, that is how much I associate with this particular machine, and my experience riding this motorcycle has been just amazing. I have ridden it to all sorts of terrains. I have done, the Ladakh, the Spitis, the Zanskars, all those terrains on this motorcycle. Never faced any issue at all. For me, the service has been amazing, and I feel this is one of those adventure bikes that has a lot of character, something that is missing in the other offerings in the market. There are offerings in the 10-11 lakh rupee sort of price segment, but this one, the character, the feeling that it offers while riding is totally unparalleled. For me, one of the most unforgettable moments with my Tiger was when I did my last year's Zanskar ride, when I was riding on the line of actual control between India and China. On one side, on my right, I could see the entire Chinese occupied part of India, which is called Aksai Chin, where they had cameras installed, and the India and the China mainland was separated by the Indus River flowing on our right. And we were getting, China time on our respective phones. On the left side, we saw Indian bunkers, and that was actually a war zone where, battles were fought, and a lot of tanks had made their marks on the trail that we were riding. So I think that was kind of a testimony to the fact how reliable that this machine is, because there was nobody to be seen on that specific trail for the 3 or 4 hours of riding that I did with one of my riding partners who was also riding a Tiger 1200. So that was one experience that I truly, value and, keep very close to my heart with this machine. If I could take my Tiger, Triumph Tiger, anywhere in the world, one destination that I would choose would be somewhere in New Zealand. So I don't know how much it would cost to ship the motorcycle there, because that will be the majority of the cost. But the scenic beauty that place offers and the off-road trails that New Zealand has untouched, very less explored, that is something that I would want to definitely do on my machine.